70 to 79 in French is a little unusual from the perspective of a native English speaker. In order to say 70 in French, you literally say 60-10, which is soixante-dix, soixante-dix. And this is true for the majority of French speakers. Some French speakers use an alternate, which I'll show at the end of the video. 70, soixante-dix. 71 literally is 60 and 11. Soixante-onze, soixante-onze. 72 is 60-12. Soixante-douze, soixante-douze. 73, soixante-treize, soixante-treize. 74, soixante-quatorze, soixante-quatorze. 75, soixante-quinze, soixante-quinze. 76, soixante-seize, soixante-seize. 77, notice this is 60-10-7. Soixante-dix-sept, soixante-dix-sept. 78, soixante-dix-huit, soixante-dix-huit. 79, soixante-dix-neuf, soixante-dix-neuf. Don't be surprised if you find some native speakers of French have an alternate way of saying 70 instead of soixante-dix. Some will say septante, septante. So 71 would be septante-un, septante-deux, and so forth and so on. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.